What it do, YouTube? What? Why is this guy flashing like that? Is that like lightning and stuff, bro? You guys see it. Oh man, welcome back to another video, man. You guys love me going to the city, bro. So guess what your boy's about to do right now. Your boy's about to hit the city, see what's popping over there. It was raining so crazy earlier, but it seemed like it stopped, but I keep seeing flashes in the sky. I don't know what that means, but I do need some gas if I'm gonna make it to the city and back. So we're gonna head to the gas station first and then go from there. I don't know if you guys see those. You guys see those flashes, bro? What is that? Is that lightning? Like, is it supposed to rain? Let's check the weather right now real quick before we even leave the crib, because if it's gonna rain, and oh, it's gonna rain OD. There's literally a flood watch right now. Is it a bad idea going to the city? Well, who doesn't like a bad idea? Maybe like that the videos go crazy. Let's go get some gas first, and then from there we can head to the city. What gas do you guys choose? I be using 93. I don't think I've ever used anything else. I don't know what everybody else be using. Some people be trying to tell me that that it doesn't matter, that they're tricking us and shit, but I don't even know. Oh, that shit went crazy. I don't really know if they are tricking us, but hey, they must be tricking me, because I stay putting 93. It don't even matter. Okay. All right. We got gas in the car. Damn, this is really about to be a drive, bro. 37 minutes to get to the city right now. That is OD. I didn't even know it was that far, but hey, it's all good. What I do for y'all, bro. Yo, it's starting to rain, bruh. I still got like 30 minutes to go to get there, but I don't know if you guys can hear, but the rain is starting to come. But we are already on our way, so there's no turning back now. We're gonna make this happen. You know, we're just gonna stay safe, of course, but still do our thing. Let's see who's even at the city at, you know, with the rain. You know, people are crazy though. They don't really care about the rain. Like, people be in the clubs, rain, no rain, like it don't even matter. So but the thing with this car is, like, you can't see nothing when it's raining out because of my tints, bro. You can't see nada, bro. I swear the FDR probably has to be one of the worst, if not the worst, highway you can drive on, bro, in New York City. Like, it's so bad that it's like sketchy to even like speed or anything over here, because you just don't even know where the potholes or like those like indents on the side of the highway are. And it's so sketchy, bro. And the streets are like so little, and people are like right on top of you pretty much. But we're almost in the city. The rain keeps coming, but it keeps going. It's the weirdest thing. Only if you guys could hear my intake, bro. That should go like this camera's not good enough to pick that up though. Is that a 440? I think that's a 440 over there. I'm not sure though. The good thing about my car is that it is all-wheel drive, so I have like no issues with like grip wise. Obviously your tires is what I have to do with grip, but my tires are pretty good. Shit sound crazy, bro. Woo. God, pretty much in the city now. Forget all that, bro. Time to have some fun. Look at this guy, he wants to get hit already. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Go crazy. crazy, bro. That moped wants to get hit, bro. I swear, does the city have like a freaking different weather, bro? Because it's not raining over here like at all, bro. But like where we were before, it was coming down crazy, bro. Look at all these people. You see them over there, bro? They look like they're going to the club. They look like they're going outside. And we here, bro, doing our thing. I think there's some traffic right here, bro. I'm trying to get to 7th Ave. I'm trying to go down 7th Ave so I can go right through Times Square. But this is looking packed right now. I didn't think that this many people was gonna be in the city, bro. You know, this is a city that never sleeps, bro. So no matter what time, no matter what day, this city always has people outside, bro. Mad heads out here, bro, to be honest. And it looks like they closed that street. Gotta talk about traffic tied up. So if this is this bad, I can only imagine 7th Ave. Cab drivers always doing this, bro. I hate them, bro, so much, bro. Like, you couldn't go more to the side. Like, you have to block the whole street. That's what you're trying to tell me right now, bro. Look at, oh my god, bro. Oh, let me see. Oh no, I don't see anybody coming. We straight, we out. Nah, bro, I swear them people on the bike, bro, they be cutting up crazy, bro. If you think you nice at cutting up, them niggas on those bikes, bro, they're the real freaking no hezzies, bro. We're exactly where I wanted to be, man. Welcome to Times Square, guys. This city's about to know me, bro. I come here so much, bro. They're gonna have to know me. There is so many people, bro. Oh, nah. I'm gonna try to park up somewhere, bro, and just kind of chill for a few, bro. Look at the police, bro. Doing nothing. Chatting. Nah. People outside, guys. Look at this. Y'all seen that, bro? Like, there's hella people out here. Damn, so this is what people be doing with their time, bro? That's crazy. I bet you like 90% of the people that are here are tourists, bro. Ain't no people from like, ain't no person that grew up in New York is coming to the city this much, bro. Like, there's nothing to do in the city. I don't know why they like it so much. Maybe it's for the lights, or they want to go shopping or something like that. But people from here, bro, nah, we dub this. We don't like the city at all. This dude really got out the car right there, bro. Like, what the fuck? Oh, he's not the one driving. All right, I thought he was the one driving. I'm really trying to turn into the street right here and park up, bro, so I can talk to you for a few. Just trying to find a parking spot, bro. This shit look crazy. This is too much now. Park up right here, bro. I don't even care. No cap. Let's go ahead and get off for a little bit. See what's going on out here. Probably mad music, mad people and shit. Well, let's see what's good. Let's see it, man. The BMW 440i in New York City, bro. So many people, bro. But I'm gonna just leave it there for a sec. Just walk around. Not even walk around, because there's just way too many people in the freaking way. And I hate just having to like go through people, bro. It's like the worst. I thought it was gonna rain, but I guess it's not raining at all, to be honest. It's out here, bro. They got a showtime going on over there. I'm scared to even walk that far, because my car is not parked in a good spot at all. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I feel mad weird just standing here, bro. They just mad people walking through here and shit. I don't remember why did I come over here again? Like, why did I walk over here? I'm not too sure. Look at these fools on top of the trash can. Yeah, I don't even know why I'm over here, bro. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. This is weird. Alright, you guys, so before I end this video, I just wanted to talk to you guys for a sec, and I just wanted to give you guys a big shout out for watching this video. If you guys are new, feel free to subscribe. A lot more content. You know, I didn't come from like a editing background, no video. Bro, I didn't even know how to use a camera in the first place, and I knew that I wanted to record videos, so how I wanted to do it, I had zero idea. We're still in the process of figuring that out. I just kind of, you know, I'm into cars, so I kind of put 2 and 2 together, and I'm just kind of learning as I go. So I want to give you guys a shout out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys are new and you guys want to check out another video of me in the city, click on the video right here and you can watch my other city videos. I got plenty of those, and if you guys want to see more city videos, comment it down below and I will continue to post city video for you guys. I'm going to continue to get better, make better videos for you guys, higher quality and all of that. So stay tuned for more, guys. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.